Hi, welcome back to Easy Moto Tim. Recently, my wife and I took a 12-day road trip on our road glides. In this, the third video in the series on tools for maintaining your Harley, we'll look at the tools I carried on the trip. In an earlier video, we looked at tools needed to do simple maintenance on your Harley. Those were tools to change fluids and tighten fasteners. In this video, we'll look at tools you might want to carry on your bike. Now, my collection of tools is pretty extensive. It's most likely I won't need everything I carry, but invariably someone in the group that I'm riding with needs a tool to fix something, and I just might have it in my kit. Often it's less expensive to buy a set of tools than a collection of individual ones. I have a set of 3/8" drive sockets, some 1/4" drives in American and in metric, a set of metric hex bits and Allen hex bits. I have a collection of torque bits and screwdriver bits, hex bits, and a collection of small screwdrivers. And here's my collection of hand tools. I have a 3/8" ratchet wrench and a small 1/4" ratchet, extensions and converters. I have 10, 15, and 17 millimeter sockets, a deep 5/8 socket, an open-end wrench. The wrench is from the original Harley toolkit, a multi-tip driver, adjustable wrench, vice grips, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, and a pair of scissors. Here are items I have in a miscellaneous section: fuses, wire connectors, a spare master fuse, some JB Quick epoxy, some bits of wire, tie wraps, blue thread locker, wire cutters and strippers, electrical tape, and a flashlight. Here's a very important tool I carry on my bike. It's the Dynaplug Mini Pro Inflator. It really works. It has a filling attachment that screws on and doesn't lose air when you attach and detach it. There's an LED light. The electrical connector works either with a cigarette lighter socket or with a DIN socket. Dynaplug also makes a tool and plugs to put in the tire. That will at least get you safely to somewhere where you can get the tire replaced or permanently patched. If you want to do some simple maintenance on your bike, you can take spark plugs and a spark plug socket, and you can take an oil filler funnel and a spare oil filter. You can buy a cheap oil drain pan at Walmart or an auto parts store and then discard it when you're done changing your oil. Now, the most important tool that I take with me are a roadside assistance card and a credit card. With those two items, you can get towed into a Harley dealer and have a permanent fix that will get you back on the road. What tool was I missing out of this whole collection of tools? Well, I didn't have an 11/16 open-end wrench to adjust the clutch on my wife's bike. Now, you might wonder, how do I get all these tools into my bike? Well, first off, the Dynaplug comes with a case. The pump fits in half and the tool and plugs fit in the other half. The rest of the tools I store in 3 cases. I put a few tools for handy access into this zippered bag. Everything else fits into these pouches. Now, these pouches are designed to fit in the wells at the bottom of the Harley side bags. All of these tools fit in this pouch. All these tools fit in this one. They go in the bottom of the saddlebag, and they take up that wasted space. They don't take up any extra space. And just so that you see how they all fit, here's everything in the 3 pouches. And they fit just nicely. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support this channel, please head over to my website, easymototim.com, and check out the Amazon product pages. I have links there to products that I use and recommend. And I'll see you in the next video.